Get ready, Wolves. Is Messi promoting a new meme in Instagram stories, or was his account hacked? The long-awaited movie trailer about Vitalik Buterin and the launch of an ETF for Ethereum is on the horizon. The number of Web3 users has passed the 10 million mark, and again about the explosive growth of NFT. Let's dive into these exciting stories. Fellow Wolves, welcome back to another episode of Alpha Wolf News. Let's talk about the football legend Lionel Messi making waves in the crypto ocean. On Monday, Messi shared an Instagram story promoting the Solana memecoin water with his massive 504 million followers. This unexpected promotion caused Water's price to skyrocket nearly 400% in just 3 hours. However, the excitement was short-lived, as the price plummeted 80% from its all-time high soon after. Concerns are circling about the concentration of the token's supply. On-chain tracker Bubble Maps revealed that a group of wallets controls 35% of Water. Despite these warnings, Messi's endorsement influenced many wolves in the pack to dive into the token. Interestingly, this isn't an isolated incident. Hackers have been targeting celebrity profiles to promote meme currencies, leading to chaos and confusion. Celebrities like 50 Cent and Sydney Sweeney had to wipe their profiles clean after regaining control from these hackers. But Messi's post remains live, and he hasn't claimed any hacking yet. What do you think, Pac? Is this a calculated move or another hacker scheme? Next, we've got a blockbuster announcement for all you Ethereum enthusiasts. Vitalik, an Ethereum Story is set to premiere in theaters this September, with the official trailer dropping on July 23rd. This documentary chronicles the life and groundbreaking achievements of Vitalik Buterin, the genius behind the Ethereum blockchain. Taking over 3 years to produce, this film promises to be a deep dive into the mind of one of crypto's most influential figures. The filmmakers have partnered with blockchain networks like Zora, Bonfire, and Base to bring this documentary fully on-chain. Viewers will even have the chance to mint the trailer on Zora, a Layer 2 scaling solution designed for on-chain media. Mark your calendars, Wolves. This is one you won't want to miss. Now, let's shift our focus to Ethereum's potential rise to supremacy. While Ethereum has trailed behind Bitcoin over the past year, Ethereum surged 67% compared to Bitcoin's 95%. Things might be about to change. The anticipated launch of Ethereum spot exchange-traded funds, ETFs, in the United States is just around the corner. This could herald a new era for Ethereum, potentially eclipsing Bitcoin in performance. What's your take, Pac? Are we on the brink of Ethereum's golden age? Web3 users have reached an all-time high of 10 million in Q2, a 40% increase from the first quarter. The social sector experienced the largest percentage growth, driven by apps like Fantasy.top and UX Link. Blockchain gaming also saw more users, although its overall share dipped slightly compared to other sectors. NFT marketplaces are back in the spotlight, reaching $4 billion in trading volume, the highest since Q1 2023. Over 14.9 million individual NFT trades occurred during this quarter. Decentralized exchanges like Uniswap and Radium saw double-digit increases in daily unique active wallets, or DAW, with Uniswap users increasing by 80% and Radium's by a staggering 134%. This surge in Web3 activity signals a vibrant and growing ecosystem. That's all for today, Pac. Until next time, join the pack by subscribing to our channel, keep howling at the moon, and let Alpha Ton connect you and your fellow wolves.